Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Wish you all a very happy new year this year. Let you all have a good time for study. Okay, hope that all are safe at home. Okay, let's continue our studies in English. Last year you studied English, and this year also we will continue to study. That is, you have two papers. One is grammar and another one is literature. Okay, and in grammar, that is included in the first paper, and literature, that is another text that is included in the second paper. Already you know it since you have learned last year. Okay, we will start with grammar. Our first lesson is nouns. I think noun is very clear to you since we have learned it from the very lower classes. Nouns are the naming words. So all of our names are nouns. You will study these nouns in little more detail, although you have learned it in the previous years. Children, let's recall what are nouns. These are naming words. Okay, can you say some of the naming words? Whatever we see around us, all these are naming words. For example, table, chair, books, mobiles, chalk, pencil, pen. All these are naming words. These naming words are called nouns in English. These nouns are divided into different types. Already we have learned it. Still, we will remember once again. Okay, these nouns are divided into different types. Let's see which are them. The first type of nouns are called proper nouns. If you look at this picture, I think you will understand what are proper nouns, because all these are refers to a particular person. More than single, it is a particular person, particular thing, particular object, etc. Okay, for example, President Obama. When I tell you President Obama, I think that already it's reached in your mind. The picture of President Obama, who was the former president of America, and it refers to a single person. He has a unique identity. The next example is August. August, that is a month in the year, and it also refers to a single month. There is only one month called August. Another one is Nintendo DSi. Okay, next one is Nissan Quest. That is a brand name. Jackson Elementary. That is the name of a school. California. That is the name of a place. Also, we will see a number of proper nouns when we look around us. For example, Christ New Life School. That's a proper name that's given to our school. Also, Miss Geeta, name of a teacher. Okay, it refers to a single person. From this, you must have understood what is a proper noun. It refers to a single person, single thing, a particular person, not single, particular person, particular thing, or particular place. The next type of nouns are called common nouns. If you understood what is a proper noun, then it will be clear for you what is a common noun. Common nouns refers to a common person, common object, common thing, etc. Like university. Be sure to pick a top university. Okay, so university, it can be meant any of the universities. So it is a common noun, whereas Calicut University is a proper noun. Stack those boxes carefully. Box, that is a common noun. People, common noun. Okay, you can see some other examples here in the picture. The salt, baby, sun, body, food, sock, jacket, boat, etc. All these are refers to a common thing. So these are called common nouns. When it is referring to a common thing, common person, common place, that is called common nouns. For example, classroom, that is a common noun, right? Also, boy, that is a common noun. Girl, common noun. So children, can you say what is the difference between a proper noun and common noun? Proper noun refers to a particular thing, particular person or particular place, whereas common noun refers to a common person, common place or common object like pencil. If I say simply pencil without referring to its brand's name, that is a common noun. Also, if I tell woman, that's a common noun, whereas Mrs. Smith, that is a proper noun. So, when it is referring to a particular person, thing, or object, that is called proper noun, and if it refers commonly, then it is called common noun. Is it clear now? The next sort of nouns are called abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are those nouns which we cannot see, taste, or smell with five senses. Okay, but we will feel it. They are called abstract nouns. Examples are fear, anger, joy, excitement, also courage, cowardice. Okay, and we cannot see fear, we cannot feel touch anger, we cannot hear joy, etc., but we will feel it. These sort of nouns are called abstract nouns. Other examples are creativity, uncertainty, and other feelings. Okay. The next type of nouns are called concrete nouns. If abstract nouns cannot be seen, cannot be touched, cannot be tasted, cannot be felt, and cannot be heard, concrete nouns can touch, can see, can taste, can feel, and can hear. So most of the nouns are included in the concrete nouns, means even the common nouns which we see, which we touch, all these are included in the concrete nouns. See these examples. Please remember to buy oranges. Orange, that is a noun and it's used in the plural form, but we can see these oranges, so this is included in concrete noun. Other examples given here are chair, pen, phone, etc. All these are included in the common nouns too. Okay, so please remember all the concrete nouns will be included in common nouns too. Some more examples are given here for concrete nouns. Buildings, Android phones, flowers, rainbows, candies, tables, bags, foods, perfume, soda, etc. If we use it a brand name of tables, we must use it as proper noun, and tables, that is common noun, but since we can see it, it is included in concrete nouns. Buildings, candies, etc. Candies we can taste, so that is included in concrete nouns. I think you understood what is abstract and what is concrete nouns difference. You must understand what is the difference between proper and common nouns, and also abstract and concrete nouns. Also you have to keep in your mind that common nouns and all the concrete nouns are included in common nouns. The next category is collective nouns. Collective, from the word itself you can understand that there is a collection of things, collection of people, collection of places, etc. As given here as a definition, a name for a number of things as a single unit. Okay, for example, the herd is on the move. Herd means a number of elephants are there, but it is refers to a single identity, that is called collective nouns. The team is ready. Team, there will be a number of people, but it refers to a single identity. England team. We cannot say as a single person here, that's a single team. Class 7th, that is a collective noun, because class, it refers to a number of students who are studying in the same class. So even though there will be a number of students and they have a particular identity, if it refers as a whole, that is called collective noun. Some more examples are given here for collective noun. Class, I told you. Jury of judges means a number of judges will be there, but we will refer them as a single entity, so that is a collective noun. Army of soldiers. Family, you all have family, and together we call it as a family. Group, council, students, audience, all these are collective nouns. We can form abstract nouns from other words. We will see how to form abstract nouns from other words. Examples are given there in your textbook by adding some suffixes, also by removing some part. Okay. Look at these words in the left side. Deliver, that's a verb. From that we can form abstract noun by adding y, delivery. Embarrass, verb, adding ment, you can make into a noun, that is called embarrassment. Ment is a suffix which helps us to make nouns. Intelligent, intelligence. Beautiful, we are avoiding full and adding y. Beauty, courageous, that is an adjective. Okay, and we have to avoid the last part, so courage. Victorious, victory. Active, that is verb, activity. Conclude, conclusion. Imagine, imagination. Appoint, appointment. Happy, by adding NESS, happiness. Friend, by adding ship, friendship. Disturb, by adding ANCE, disturbance. Begin, beginning. Remove, by adding AL, removal. Able, by adding ITY, ability. Clumsy, clumsiness. Invade, invasion. Proud, pride. Okay, do you understand how to make new nouns or abstract nouns from other words? From other words means it can be other parts of speech like verb, adjective, etc. And even from nouns you can form abstract nouns. Children, here we stop today's class. When we wind up, I give you some homeworks. First homework is, please write down 5 proper noun, 5 common noun, 5 abstract nouns and 5 collective nouns. That's the first homework. Okay, and next one is page number 1. There is an exercise. Please write, question is, underline the nouns in this sentence and state whether they are common, proper, abstract or collective. So please underline the nouns in those sentences, and after that, above that, please mention the first letter of nouns. For example, common, if it is common, COM please write. Proper, P. abstract A, and collective COL. Please write in such a way. Also, page number 3. Form abstract nouns from these words. That also please complete. And page number 4. Complete these sentences with the abstract nouns from the forms, abstract noun forms of the words in the box. Ability, able. In such a way, please complete that table too. Okay, and that is your homework for today. And this homework must be scanned. After doing it, you must scan it and you have to post it before 6 o'clock today. Okay, children, we will meet again. Here we wind up. Thank you very much.